Exposure is locked, everything is locked, brightness is fine. Get yourself ready and place a mic on your phone.
You are going to a job interview and you are very happy. On the way, a car with mud comes on you and you get spoiled by the mud. Then how do you handle that situation?
First of all, if I'm going to the interview, so I should have many of the solutions of and many of the problems. I know that my dress can be spilled by any other thing or it can be spoiled. So I will have money in my pocket and I will go to any of the nearest supermarket or somewhere. I will change the thing and stuff and I will just go to the interview. That's very simple, I think, because if I'm going to the interview, I'm not going in like Bamor, that I will not get. In Bamor also you can get in Bamar also you can just go to the supermarkets or anywhere to get the clothes. So if you're not going in any of the places for the interview, that it may have any issue. It's always in the market. You just get the new cloth. It's done. Thank you.
You have been to a trip of safari, right? Suddenly you met a tiger before you. There is no protection that you have to face. So what will be going on in your mind facing the tiger?
Facing the tiger, first of all, my mind should be very calm. First, what I have learned from many people that they have said and they have faced the tiger. First, I will remember that thing if that's the situation, or if I will say that before going to that safari, the tour, I will just read all the instruction that what to do if what happens. So also the tigers in that list, tigers name will also be mentioned, and I will read up everything about the tiger too. So what I have about every of the creature in this world, I have listened that if you are very calmed down and you have none of the high tension or any frustration inside out, so you can just face any of the animal. They will not just really harm you if they are not really aggressive or angry. Yes, at that time. So I will just think about like first to maintain those situations that I can save myself, because I don't want to die right now. But if I feel like I'm gonna die, I will try to escape. Yes, but if that's the day, then yes, I will think about like, okay, I have lived my life very nicely, because I really daily live my life very nicely, like so.
How will you try to escape from this situation which right now you're going to face?
First of all, I have a car or jeep. Mostly jeep is there. Yes, so I will try to escape in that. Okay, I will run toward that or something like this. There will be trees. I will try to go up on that. Yes, tigers are very fast, faster than me maybe, but I will still try to, like, there will be many of hiding places to, like the trees, big trees or some things like that. Yes, I will try to travel him, because that's not a human. That's not also having a very nice mind that I have that. Yes, so I will, yes, if you are calm down, you can use your mind. If you're not calm down, you're just hyper at that time too. You are so much scared, you cannot just save yourself. But if you are like in your situation, very relaxed, then it's okay. You can be relaxed just after, like, you will think about, okay, I have lived my life very nicely and I have none of the issues left that I want to live more longer.
There are many issues and nothing has gone into your favor. You have not done anything in the life. So would you be rating yourself to die happily?
No, first of all, I will have some of the what we say, aim.
Don't go into the future. Just give the answer on the present.
Yeah, I'm also just saying, I will have many of the aims at that time, when I'm facing the tiger. So I will try to escape, because I wanna just reach to that place. Yes, if tiger bite me also, that also will be some, like, I will try to live, because I have some aims that I wanna achieve. So that thing will just lead me to live more. And I always tried, because I don't think so biting something or facing any accident is more worse than like people, 4 or 5 people just always giving you some negative words. And that situation I have faced, then I think that thing I can face more better.
Question.
Suppose you are going somewhere far away on your bike. Suddenly, your bike gets punctured in the middle of the road. So there is no one far away, and there is not even a shop in which you can get your vehicle repaired. So first of all, what will you do in this condition?
Okay, first of all, that we have this, the smartphone. Yes, you can use that if that's not working. So yes, you should be that much fit that you can just go to other, like when people can cross the oceans without the food, why you cannot just take your bike to that place that you will get any of the puncture, like that person that who can just make it well.
But in the highway,
Yeah,
far
mechanic.
away from the shop.
Highway, what I'm saying, when people can just cross the oceans, and also that, like that highways, if that road is made there on that highway, then more cars will also be just running, more vehicles are also be running, so I can just get the help from them, and everyone help on the highways. I have seen like once our car stuck, like all the glasses were up, and the key was inside, and the doors were locked. Everyone was there, like any of the vehicle was passing by there, they were helping us.
Right answer. Thank you.
In
Next,
the
last
highway, sir,
question.
every 1 kilometer there are emergency number, everything. Somewhere are ready.
Yes, the emergency number you can use by your phone by clicking 4 times your power button.
There are no shops in national highway, but in Kerala-
Emergency button is something like in any of the situation you are stuck, if the people are harassing you or anything. For girls are also, this power button is there. You just click it 4 times. The emergency phone will be just like start, and you will just say that I have this problem, ambulance or anything. They will just come to you very nicely.
Any question?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir. Suppose you want to marry a girl, you are madly in love with,
Yeah.
madly in love with her, but your family didn't allow to marry. How will you?
My family
And
never-
At the
look.
same time, you are very you are very in love with your girl.
First of all, that's not an embarrassing question. But secondly, I would love to give you an answer. First of all, my family always oppose me in everything. How I just tackle that situation, I will tackle that situation too. I am in love with someone, maybe still, but what I want to do, my family doesn't force me or will not force me in my future when I have done something or achieved something. If I have not achieved something, so I will also not just say myself that what we say that praise myself also that you have done very good. I will say myself that you haven't done anything yet. So marrying that girl will not be on that time, will not be a right situation, like not situation, right decision. Okay, but they will always allow me when I have done something.
Let's just say your family which does not agree in any of the aspect of the decision you want to make for yourself, right? First thing. But if you have to take any decision right now, today, right, just to protect your relationship, right, to take the major decision, what would be going through in your mind? You know that going to the family, talking to them, it is just like cracking the nut. It's impossible.
Like they know about my relationship.
They know everything. You have to take decision right now. How will you deal with that?
Decision will be because I'm not.
Would you be slipping away or would you be facing it? Wherever the situation, you are a student, you have lack of money, don't have money. You can seek the support from your friends. What would be that decision for today?
For today, look.
Let's just say she has married, she is going to get married today. आज तो उसका मंडप है, ठीक है? So and you got an opportunity.
That's a different thing.
फिर तो सिमरन भाग.
Then no. If she's gonna marry with someone, that's a different thing.
Family has pressurized her. She
Yeah. I'm talking about that. If that's gonna be happening, that's a different situation. So there are many of the aspects to say on this topic. Like
That is what you.
yeah. So first, she can deny. Okay, and I really like those kind of the girls who just can do anything for themselves if they wanna do anything. Yes, like they are just listening to themselves. So I will choose that kind of the girl always. Sir, listen, sir.
Don't describe anything. The situation has happened, right? You are in love with the girl, and she is quite shy, and everything is done, right? Every like preparation that has already been done. Today, it's the last day you can protect the relationship. She called you. See, I just don't want to get married. I just want to run away from the home with you, and you do not have any choice but to go away with her. You cannot seek any permission or you cannot seek any monetary help from your family or like what you can do is the support of your friends that may be with you, right? But today, right now, on the very moment, what will be going on? Would you like to take this decision, or you would like?
I will take
rest
the
of thing
decision.
you will leave?
I will take the decision.
How
For
will you
me,
raise
for
this
me,
empathy?
for me, the ego is really much important in my life, and the egos like marrying someone or something is too much like crossing the limit. So I cannot just let her marry with anyone. Okay, so yes, I will have to go out by having some help from the friends, and I am that much I'm that kind of the person who can just face any of the situation because I have made that myself that much that I can earn the money or things. So yes, I will take her out to any of the places
That should
and
be the expected answer. Thank you very much.